Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this problem, we need to find the specific element of a tuple and then create a new tuple. And we need to use list comprehension to create the new tuple with elements at specified indices. Okay, so in this, there is a tuple that we are given, and we are given the indexes that we need to pop out of, right? And then we need to basically add that results, right? So 0 will be 1, 2 will be 3, 4 will be 5, right? Okay, so what we can do is we do return and we need to use list comprehension. So let's do that. And so since we will be getting the indices of it, right? So original tuple, and if we want any indexes out of it, we can just do something with index, right? So let's do I, and for I in indices. Okay, so we are given indices, and from there what we do is we plug that indices into the tuple to access that element, and then from then on we get a list out of it, right? So we have a list, we need to make it into a tuple as well. Let's not forget that. And then when we do this, it hopefully should work. Great, so it's passed all the results, so it's passed every test cases. So let's see other people's solution as well. So other people, okay, that was my solution at the beginning, and then this is how other people have done it as well. Okay, so it can be done multiple ways. We can use enumerate and all as well, but this would be the most elegant solution for this. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you, take care.